dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn 7th standard CBSE Maths chapter 1, that's integers. So this video is part 1. So in this video we are going to cover these topics, that is introduction to integers, recall number line of integers, addition and subtraction of integers, properties of addition and subtraction of integers. First of all, let's know about integers. We will represent integers by a capital letter Z. So integers we can represent by Z. Integers form a bigger collection of numbers which contains whole numbers and negative numbers. So integers contains a bigger collection of whole numbers and negative numbers. So first of all, we need to learn these things. Then only we will have a clear concept, clear mindset about integers. Okay. Natural numbers. We will denote natural numbers by a capital letter N. We will denote whole numbers by a capital letter W. First of all, let's know what are natural numbers. Natural number means except 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, etc. going on. Whole number means including natural number plus 0. So 0 plus natural number, and natural number will go on, no. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Negative numbers, natural numbers with negative sign. Okay, natural number with negative sign or negative numbers. Here also there must be no 0. Okay. So this is a rough diagram showing that showing the clear concept about these things. Okay, so this small circle represent natural number, then this is whole numbers, negative numbers, integers. So whole number must contain 0 plus natural number. No, must include, whole number will include natural number plus 0. Then whole number, the combination of whole number and negative numbers, that is integers. Okay. This is a revising part because in already 6th standard we have learned this, because 6th standard chapter 1 is integers. So these all the topics are revision part only. Okay. This one, number line. Now we are going to revise this part, that's number line. We need to denote the number on a line. Here number represent integers. Here we are going to denote the integers on a line. Like this, there is a line, here also a remark, here also a remark, because the line will extend in these two directions. Okay, so in the middle we are going to write 0, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. In one words they will ask which number is neither positive nor negative, like that. Here 0 is the middle value, then here it will 0 only separating a positive and negative integers. Okay, these are positive integer. We can put positive integer with plus sign or without plus sign, that's no problem, but we must put negative sign before the negative integers. Okay, so these are negative integers. Here it will extend up to this, then here it will extend like this. So here I have put in the sign no. So this is an example for number line. In number line we can add, subtract, multiply, divide like that, but now we are going to revise the addition and subtraction part on number line by using this note. This note is more important. While you are doing addition and subtraction on number line, you must see this note. You must remember this note. Note on a number line, when we add a positive integer, we move to the right. So on a number line, when we add a positive integer, we need to move to the right. In this number line, we must need to see the directions. Here direction are more important. Okay. On a number line, when we add a negative integer, we move to the left. On a number line, when we subtract a positive integer, we move to the left. On a number line, when we subtract a negative integer, we move to the right. So this is the note. So let's see some examples. Okay. So here 3 plus 3 they have given 3 plus 3, and I have put in the line also. So here 6. Okay. So first number, we first take the first number. So let's mark that 3. This is positive integer. So we need to mark the 3 in positive side. So we need to mark positive 3. So this is the 3. So we have marked, we have put on a dot and circled it. So this is the marking point. Then we need to add 3. So add a positive integer. These two are positive integer. We need to add. So add a positive integer. We move to the right. So here right direction. So right direction. How many jump or how many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So 6 is the answer. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. We can check this sum by doing simple addition. 3 plus 3 we already know that plus 6 only, like that we can check. But they have said that if they asked that you must denote them on a number line, you should do like this and by using these rules. Okay. Then here minus 3 plus bracket minus 1. Here they have given like this. So we already have learned no. We already have no. So bracket represent off. Off means multiplication. Okay, multiplication. So bracket represent multiplication symbol. So plus into minus is equals to minus. It will be always minus. So positive into negative, it will be always negative. So the result is minus 3. Both the things we have simplified now. So minus 1, minus 3, minus 1. So I have drawn a number line and marked the negative integers, positive integers and 0. So here first of all let's take minus 3. This is a negative integer. So we need to take negative 3. So we have already taken that and I have represented that, pointed that. Okay. Then minus 1. So we need to use this loss. Add a negative integer. We move to the left. So here left direction, only one jump. Okay. So one jump to the left, that will be minus 4. So minus 3 minus 1 is equals to minus 4. Like this. Plus 5 minus bracket plus 3. So here plus into minus, we already know plus into minus is equals to minus. Otherwise minus into plus is also equals to minus. So plus 5 minus 3. So this is the result. Then I have already drawn a number line like this and I want to mark the first number in the number line. So plus 5, positive 5, then minus 3. So here subtract a positive integer, subtract 2 positive integer, we move to the left. So here left direction. We must denote the direction because direction is the important thing in this number line. Okay. So 5, how many steps? 3 steps to the left. So 1, 2, 3 jumps. We have jumped. So we have landed on 2. So plus 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Then minus 6 minus bracket minus 1. So minus into minus is equals to, minus into minus is equal to minus. Okay, so minus, the result is minus 6 minus 1. So here let's see that. Subtract a negative integer, we move to the right. Subtract 2 negative integer, we move to the right direction. So let's mark minus 6 in the number line. So minus 6, we move to the right direction. So this is 1. So 1 step to the right, that is minus 5. So minus 6 minus 1 is equals to minus 5. Mean at last we need to write this because this is the answer, this is the result. Okay, after doing these things. So this note is must remember. All the one must remember this note. This note is more important while doing addition and subtraction on the number line. And this is the number line. Okay. Let's go to this part. Addition and subtraction of integers. While doing addition and subtraction of integers, we must see the symbol. Symbol is more important in this addition and subtraction of integers. Okay. So let's see. Positive plus positive is equals to positive. That's plus is equals to plus. That is, we need to put the same symbol and we need to add the 2 integers. For example, plus 3 plus 4, like that they have given. So plus 3 plus 4 is equals to same symbol. So plus how many will come? Plus 7. 3 plus 4, 7 only, no. So we need to put the same symbol, that's plus, and we need to add. Here also we need to put the same symbol, minus, but we need to add that. Okay, here my plus into minus is equals to, we need to put the greater number sign, greater number symbol. Okay, and we need to subtract that. Here also minus plus also we need to put the greater number symbol and we need to subtract. Okay, here the symbol, we need to see the symbol. We need to give more importance to the symbol. Then only we can add and subtract. Okay, here they have given example. One is the notice, if the given signs are same, we need to put the same sign and we need to add. If the given signs are different, we need to put the greater number sign and we need to subtract. Okay, so plus 5 plus 3, both the numbers have same sign, so same sign we have put on. So if the given numbers sign are same, we need to put the same sign and we need to add. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8, so plus 8, like this. Here both the signs same, so same sign we need to add. 6 plus 7, here also I have denoted that add. So 6 plus 7, that is 13, so minus 13 is the answer. Okay, here if the signs are different, we need to put the greater number sign. So greater number sign is plus 5 is the greater number, so that sign is plus. Okay, so we need to put the plus and we need to subtract the following. So 5 minus 1, that is 4, like this. Here the greater number symbol is plus, so here also plus. 8 minus 4, that will be 4. So this is the addition and subtraction of integers. Here this is the main formula for that. So let's move on to the next topic, properties of addition and subtraction of integers. So now we are going to revise our properties of addition and subtraction of integers. There are 3 main property and 1 additive property and 1 important topic. Okay, closure property, that is if we add or subtract 2 integers, we must have integer, we must have answer as integer. We should not have fractions or as an answer, no, and we should not have decimal as an answer. Okay, so closure property, answer must be a integer, because here we are doing property for integer only, no. So integer is closed under addition, integer is closed under subtraction. So this closure property is closed under both the addition and subtraction. Then commutative property, that is a plus b is equals to b plus a. Then a minus b is equals to b minus a. Both will give same answer. Okay, addition is commutative for integers, subtraction is also commutative for integers. So both the one accepted this property of integers also. The next property, associative property, that is a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. This property, addition only accepted this property, that is addition is associative for integers, but subtraction did not accept. We can't subtract like this by using this formula. Then this one, additive identity, that is when we add 0 to any whole number, we get the same whole number. That is 0 is an additive identity for whole numbers, that is whether if a is whole number, a plus 0 is equals to a is equals to 0 plus a. That is additive identity is 0 for whole numbers and also for integers also. Integers also the additive identity is 0, because when we add 0 to any number, the answer will be, so okay, if when we add 0 to a whole number, the answer will be the same whole number only. There should not be a fraction or decimal and all. Okay, like this, for example 3 plus 0, 3 is a whole number, so 3 plus 0 is equals to 3, that same whole number. So 0 is the additive identity of whole numbers and also for integers, like that. For integers also 0 is the additive identity. For example, minus 3 is an integer, that's a negative integer, no. So minus 3 plus 0 is equals to that same minus 3. So the result is an integer. So for integers also the additive identity is 0. For whole number also the additive identity is 0. Okay, we will learn multiplicative identity also. Multiplicative identity is 1. Okay, we will learn that later in this chapter, in this integers chapter. So let's move on to our next topic, additive inverse. The additive inverse of any integer a is minus a. Like for any integer, minus a is a. So here additive means we should not see this additive. Inverse. Do you know the meaning of Inverse means inversing, transferring, like that, inversing. So for plus the inverse sign is minus, so for minus the inverse sign is plus, like that we are changing. So for a the additive inverse is minus a, so plus, here minus. So for minus a the additive inverse is a plus a, so here minus, here plus, like that, a minus a, that is positive to negative, negative to positive. That's what inverse. Okay, for example, for minus 10 the additive inverse is plus 10. So for plus 10 sorry, so for plus 10 the additive inverse is minus 10. Okay, so for minus 9 the additive inverse is plus 9. So for plus 9 the additive inverse is minus 9, like this. This is the concept of additive inverse. We should not collapse additive identity and additive inverse. Thank you friends for watching this video until the end. Bye bye friends, meet you soon in the next part friends.